friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my new video. Today I came up with a company from pharma space. Actually this company is a small cap company and there is a high chance for the company to become a mid cap company in the near future. The name of the company is Kaplan Point Labs. This is from a small cap space company along with IOL, chemicals, etc. But the promoters of the company and the management company is very strong. Now the rate of the share is 567 rupees is now. Its year high is 686 and year low is 176 rupees. Actually, this company is exporting to Latin American companies. Whether most of the other big companies are not concentrating on Latin American companies because of money problem itself. But this company decided to enter into Latin American space because there will not be any other big competitors in those countries when compared to American market, etc. So they concentrated their main business to Latin American countries. What is make difference with other companies is that most of the companies are exporting the products to the importers of the other country, and from importers they supply to distributor to retailers, and the ultimate customers will buy from retailers itself. But this company is giving the product directly to the distributors of that country. So they avoid the middleman of such as importers. So it is a beneficial to this company. And now the company is decided to enter into the American space also. So they have completed their expansion plans and now they are ready to enter into the American space. This is a very good point for that company. Then they have already started a subsidiary in America in order to improve their business in America. The name of the subsidiary is Kaplan Sterling, and one of the fund managers like Fidelity is always invested in that company. And the company has also started an e-commerce business in order to market their product. The P ratio of the company is 19 against the industrial P of 38. The book value of the company is 115 rupees. It had a face value of 2. Then it has shown a good sales in June also, 54 crores against 50 crores of last year. And it had a share capital of only rupees 15. And when we look into the shareholding pattern of the company, the promoters are holding 69% in the company and affiliates are holding 3% in that company. So I strongly recommend this share not to buy this time, wait for a correction. You can buy it small lot and expect this company to reach 750-800 rupees in a period of time. And one only negative thing is that we don't know what will happen to their business in America when they start the business. There is uncertainty in the business is there. So this is only negative factor I happen to see in this company. So you all please consult your own advisor before buying the share. If you all like my share, please like it, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.